I just wanted to show you this little ditty that I put together with some leftovers. I wanted to test out and see. We're doing some embellishments on light fixtures at an event that's coming up, and I have a very limited installation time frame. So for us to be able to weave all of these things into the light fixture on event day, that felt like a little bit of an overshoot to me, and I was like, okay, what's another way that we could do this, that it could be done ahead of time, that they could be boxed and stacked and traveled, and that we would be able to just quickly whip in there and get these things up on the light fixture. So I was in Lowe's, the hardware store, I don't know, 4 or 5 days before this problem presented itself to me. And whenever I was standing there waiting for some paint to be mixed, I saw all of these yardsticks in the bucket that I was standing beside, and I just thought, maybe I could do something with those sometime, and that's just the little thought that I had. And then whenever this problem presented itself, I was like, yardsticks, we can use yardsticks. So it's interesting how your brain is constantly, without you really trying or purposefully thinking about how you're going to solve a problem, it's constantly gathering this information that can pop back up whenever you least expect it, but when you most need it. That's how your brain's made to work, to spontaneously solve problems. So anyway, that's what we have here. There's the yardstick from Lowe's back here, and I've just covered it in some stem tape. And you could also spray paint it if you wanted to. That would be fine. I was just trying to get it to a color that's close to the color that we'll be working with, and I wanted to cover up the numbers and things. So anyway, that's what I have there. I am using Smilax, so I just took the vine that I am planning to use. I wrapped it around the little yardstick. I'm also going to be having some forsythia in for this wedding, so what I'll probably do is just start by putting forsythia along the length of my yardstick to cover it completely, and then weave in the Smilax on top of that. Oh, pal, look, here's one of those little woolly worms that they talk about how, side note, I haven't seen one of these in forever. It's how long winter will be. Can you see it? I'll pick it up. Come on, little woolly worm. Guys, I saw Luna moth yesterday. It was so cool. I don't think these bite or anything, so I'm just gonna, we'll find out, won't we? I'm gonna go for it. Oh, he's scared. Look, look at him though. He's so cute. He's just put me back in my spot. Okay, well, anyway, he just has one brown spot. I wonder what that means. We'll have to look that up. Okay, way so that I don't step on him. Okay, so forsythia's in, wrap some Smilax around it, and then I have these pink diamond hydrangea that I just wanted to use to bring color out to the sides, and then limelight hydrangea that I tucked down in here into the oasis just to get some base and to cover the oasis that I was working with up. Added a couple spray roses in here, added a little trio of the garden spirits, and then one of my little garden spirits that I had just tucked in here fell out. So anyway, have one here, balanced it out with adding one over here. I'm gonna have some big Cafe au lait dahlias too. This one isn't, none of these flowers are all that impressive because they're just really being used as little placeholders. All of these are just leftover flowers that I was playing with to experiment and to see how we could be more efficient at putting all of these things together. So anyway, that's what I've got for you. Little yardstick to make it quicker on event day. So now everything's kind of composed and put together, and this can just go in a long flower box, stack, stack, stack. Away we go.